What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian. Just wanna announce, so somebody looking for this model, I will do like unboxing, we'll put together hopefully with my daughter and do review. So DeWalt FlexVolt. At first I saw it at Home Depot and they sold out. Then I got it from Amazon. I think it's about 250, something like this. Charger and battery of course included, 60 volt, and that's, I just find out after that when I got it, it's like compatible with different tools too, which is pretty cool. The really nice part is brushless motor. Yeah, that's really plus. So got it like 2 days ago. Grass still in good shape, but definitely needs a little bit work. So after about 14 years old, my old trimmer, Black & Decker, just quit. Something happened like with looks like motor right there. Mine has a shaft or something like transmission sort of kind of in this, and that thing quit. There's no way, I don't think so, it will be parts available anyway. Time for more efficient way to do yard work. So please come back and see you later. Bye bye.